Hi friends, welcome to die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see unboxing of Arduino based flight controller for drones and vtol projects. So this I received a company called LongFly.co. It is a US based company. So they sent me this Arduino based flight controller to do a review video on this. So let's open this and what and all is there. We'll see now. So here it is securely packed, you can see. And yeah. Wow, nice packing. And you can see this is the flight controller, which is Arduino based, and the main processor is the Teensy 4.0 board. So, and this have all the power XT60 connector. Okay, so basically this is mainly created by a person called dRehm. So he is the creator of this board actually. Okay, so you can see his website. Even I did one project using the same Teensy board, but this is like a proper board which is integrated with everything, like IMU everything. Okay, so like motors, everything, some fasteners like screws and all, and also USB cable. He also sent some 3D printed files which will be helpful to build my tail sitter. So that also I'll show now. So these all are 3D printed parts for the tail sitters. Okay. So motor mounts. So thank you very much for sending all these 3D printed files. So it will save a lot of time. Okay. So I'll just place it. What and all is there here? Yeah. Okay, so these all are the parts like for the tail sitter model and also for bench test, like so all these things for testing this. Okay, so soon I'm going to make tail sitter and vtol F35 vtol, so which I already done, but he have very interesting projects that I'm going to do in future. So this is the unboxing video, like just I want to show you like okay what and all you will get. If you want to order this, so I will leave the link in the description so you can purchase. In the future you can see project using this flight controller. Okay, you can expect some projects using this flight controller. Okay, so IMU also integrated on this board, so you don't need to do any separate IMU connections and all. So everything will be here. Advantage with this board is like you can write your own code or you can modify as per your project. Okay, so soon I'm going to make some projects using this board, so stay tuned to my channel and please subscribe to my channel for future projects. Okay, so if anybody want to order this, so you can go to this flywood.co website. There you can order this complete bundle. You also can try the project, very interesting project. So I will leave the link in the description so that you can purchase using that link. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned to my channel for future projects. Thank you very much. See you in the next project.